Oi! Do it again, do it again. Do it again, Jack Jack. Daddy, can you push it back? Boy, that's a workout even for Daddy.
Okay, ready?
Okay. See Jack walk. Boy! Our wreck.
Boom, boom.
We had our wreck.
Boom, boom.
Come on, tough guy.
Go again.
Oh, Tita Agnes has to see this.
Oh, it's just too fast for you.
Try
Try one more time, and I'll get in front of it so it doesn't go so slow. Okay, ready?
Wait, Daddy, can you be on the other side so we can see him?
Whoops.
Good job, Jack Jack.
Good job.
Yay! Good job, Jack Jack. Good job. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hey, Jack Jack, come here.